What?
And then Deuce
No, hold
was
on.
so
flashlight
scared
kept on turning off and on.
Hold on, I have one more question for you. Hold on. I will. But remember you guys said you wanted to go to the Queen Mary, you want to stay on that boat, and you wouldn't even be scared because you knew it was haunted, and you said you wouldn't be scared? Do you remember that?
We were
What's that
lying.
noise?
No,
Is that the noise?
no, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Please, someone.
Oh, you want me to go outside with you?
No, please. I don't want to die.
Joey, relax.
Hey,
Joey, relax.
this way. If you die, we're all going to die, so we die together.
Joseph.
Okay?
No, that's even worse.
Why?
I don't want anyone to die.
John and Mom
Don't you
What? Come on out.
If we all
My
die
mom will
together
come
as a
back
family?
from jail hearing I'm dead.
What? What?
My mom will come back from jail.
You
hearing
are
I'm dead.
recording it. Stop it.
What? Jamie, were you scared?
No, because I was pushing them.
I beg you, God, please help me. I beg you, please.
hit his face on that
Joey.
I beg you, God, please. Please help me, please. I beg
That's how
you.
dark it was all sound.
You
Why?
guys have a sword?
Turn off that noise.
Please, God, I do anything.
I tried to break the glass with my flashlight.
It was pitch black out there, you mean.
I was in the bathroom.
Come on, give me that iPad.
How? You guys had flashlights.
Yeah, one of them didn't work. Go outside. No.
All right, I'll go outside.
I don't believe you